Wow, it looks golden brown. Okay, well done. Everything has been pretty good so far, other than it looks inedible. Still got one more. Don't put it in your hand, just put it in your mouth.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of My Friend Can Cook. Over the weeks, we have witnessed our guests' cooking skills in our kitchen, and I must say it has been quite interesting to see how they whip up amazing dishes with all the challenges that we have given them. Our guest today is a comedian. He has a really big poppy eyes, and he has actually starred and produced in Hook's first ever comedy drama in Singapore. He and his friend have started a YouTube channel called Ministry of Funny with over 100,000 subscribers. Let's welcome Haresh and his friend Terence to the show.
Hello,
Haresh, how are you?
Hello, good. How are you?
Hi, Terence.
Hey, hello.
How are
Hi.
you?
Good, how are you?
Are you okay?
Yeah,
Take a seat.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So, how long have you guys been friends for?
So I first met him in my first year of uni because we both got a chance to study abroad, and he was 2 classes above me, and that was in 2005.
Yes,
2005.
So about 15 years.
So, how do you guys maintain your friendship and even start your YouTube channel?
Starting out as a hobby. I think we just, at that point of time when we were both quite aligned in terms of what we wanted to try and do and give it a shot, give it a real shot. Because if you don't try, you'll live with the
never
regret
know,
for the
right?
rest of your life.
So
Yeah.
even though it's a mistake, at least you tried.
Yeah, exactly.
So Terence, I've actually provided 3 recipes to us, and
Confirm, confirm.
yeah.
Anytime
And-
this guy has a chance to screw me over in front of a camera, he will. You're gonna tell me now or later?
Yes, I'm gonna tell you now.
Okay.
And the recipe is roti prata with curry chicken.
You cannot think of something more creative, is it?
Precisely because this reaction, I knew this reaction would come out.
Okay, so before we move on to a cooking challenge, we're gonna move into a mini game segment called How Well Do You Know Me? So we have a rolling pin here. If you lost this game, then you will have to use the Chinese chopstick to roll your prata,
Okay,
which
can.
I'm not too sure how you're gonna do it, but you gotta figure it out.
Can.
Question number 1. What is the first thing that Terence would do if he become the president of Singapore?
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take a guess.
Okay?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
What?
What?
Oh my god!
So you want yourself a good
Yes.
recipe, and you can make a good prata with
Okay.
it. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next question. So this is a good tool.
Yeah.
This is the not so good one. So this one you will have a hard time stirring in the big pot.
Okay.
Second question. If Terence can listen to only one song for the rest of his life, which song would it be?
This one is tough. This one's tough.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Something like John.
Back to
Okay, yeah.
Take that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
Classic, this classic pop songwriting. But I mean, I like John Mayer too.
So with that, you
Got wrong.
got it wrong. But
It's okay.
it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
this little spoon will help you.
Can.
So this is a good tool, lah.
Oh,
Okay. So when I think it'll be very useful when you
Need to
flip
flip,
the
ah.
prata.
Flip. Oh, okay.
Yeah, unless you want to use your hands. Third question. What is one special talent that Terence has?
Okay, I got one. Yeah, okay, I got
Terence
one.
is like going through the self-discovery moment.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
At least
Ah,
mine is like
okay.
something about my mind and everything.
But that one, okay, I agree that is true, but that's not talent, what?
I mean, okay lah.
You can't say, what, your mind damn open. Who says that?
Okay, let's move on to the 4th question. This is the good tool. Okay.
What's that actually?
This is the...
Whoa, shit. Oh, pillar.
Oh, it's a peeler.
Yeah, of course, if you didn't get it correct, then you will have to use your spoon to, scrape the skin.
Okay, can.
Yeah.
Question number 4. What is Terrence's favorite restaurant to visit?
In Singapore or?
In Singapore.
Restaurant.
Yeah.
No idea. I'm just gonna put something that I think he likes.
Okay.
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 Better not be mala xianghua or something. Resort all this.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
This one confirm not A lah. Confirm not A.
Okay, well, sushi.
You got the race wrong, man.
Unfortunately, this is such an
Spoon.
important
Walao
one,
eh.
but you got yourself a teaspoon to scrape the skin of the potato. Good set of tools, knives, always very useful in the kitchen. If you get the not so good one, then that will be scissors.
What's that?
It's avocado knife.
Oh, avocado knife.
Final question. If Terence has one wish, what would it be?
Not confident, but we see.
Okay, cool, ready? 3, 2, 1. And first comes one
It's an
wheel.
electric skateboard.
So now that Haresh have acquired all his, mainly the bad cooking tools, but one good tools, and we will proceed to the cooking challenge. For this segment, the guest and friend has to work together to complete the cooking challenge under 45 minutes. The guest will be putting on headphones throughout the cooking challenge. The recipe will only be given to the friend, thus he or she has to convey the recipe through whichever way possible to guide the guest through the cooking challenge. Both of them have to work together to complete the dish within the time limit. However, there will be 3 lifelines to assist them. First lifeline, helping hand. The friend is able to assist the guest in cooking the dish for 30 seconds. Second lifeline, hear me out. The guest is able to remove the headphone for 30 seconds while the friend gives verbal instruction of the recipe. Third lifeline, tools out. The guest is able to exchange one cooking tool which he feels that is able to aid him in the cooking challenge. Okay, Haresh, so all the ingredients are prepared for you and it's all here. Okay, but don't get too excited because all these ingredients are not measured nor they are labeled. Okay?
Okay, cool.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, in that case, I'll get Terence to take a seat over there.
Okay.
I'm gonna put on this headphone for you.
Okay. I got a big head.
Comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
And your time starts now.
Chicken, the chicken. Slice it. Slice it. Okay, wait. Oh man, wait, let me try this bread thingy.
The instruction is to slice chicken to pieces.
Nope, doesn't work. Actually, I'll just get the tools out to change for the knife. Is it too early? It's okay? Can I change the knife? Okay, tools out. Wait, let me think this through first. Hey, actually the peeler. No, I'll stick with this, Cancel. Oh, man.
Ah, step 4 potato to peel.
But for potatoes.
Yeah, peel.
Okay, this one I need
And
the
then-
tools out.
And then put into cubes.
Oh, the cube.
Potato.
Okay,
Yeah.
this one need tools out. Can I get the tools out?
Time stops. So we'll exchange and I'll give you this pillar.
Okay.
And the time
Yeah.
resumes.
This one's a lot faster than cutting chicken for sure.
Lucky I didn't change this for the peeler.
Okay, well done.
Okay.
It's good.
Okay.
Okay, put aside. Next step.
Next step.
The
Fire.
no. 3 of the shallots.
3. Oh, the shallots.
Yes, correct.
Ah.
3.
Shallot. How many inside? Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Watch me.
Yeah. Pot.
Sauce. Okay.
Pot.
Pot. Yes.
Yeah.
Put the shallots.
Put the shallots into the pot.
For under a fire that is medium.
Medium.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Can. Okay.
I think it's all enough.
Okay. Then throw in. Yeah. Where's the curry paste?
Put inside.
Put inside. And then stir. Then add the chicken.
Put inside.
Yeah, put inside. Potatoes.
Now.
Yeah, throw in also.
Confirm, huh?
Confirm.
It's a lot of potatoes.
Throw in. Next step, the flipping. Okay, Ken. Now take fist.
Okay. It's like what you see at the Prata shop, right?
Yeah, correct.
Then they...
Yeah, exactly. Dude, I was going to flatten first.
Yeah, like, don't need the roller. Feeling the dough, man.
You just
Can flip already.
Yeah, can flip already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. One egg. Crack, you watch, huh?
Ah.
Crack, spread, and then spread it out.
But then fold lah.
Spread it out, then fold. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Go.
Oh, lama. Square.
Yeah.
Now you say.
Can.
Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Oh, lama. Okay.
Okay. Oh. What?
Okay, I'm gonna flip it.
Wow. It looks golden brown. Now second prata. Second prata.
Okay.
Oh, now he automatic already. Doesn't even need instructions.
So I put the egg first.
No.
Oh.
Now is
Oh, cheese.
cheese. Yeah.
Then what's this?
No.
Coconut milk. No need
Yeah,
that?
later. Yeah. Very nice.
Okay.
Okay, now pan fry. Yeah.
I think this might be done already.
Okay, then take out. It's like the thickest.
Okay, that one is better.
Now?
One more.
No, now you need to take the coconut
Coconut milk.
milk and then put it into that
Okay.
pot.
And a bit more.
Okay, can.
Okay. One more. 30. Hear me out.
Yeah.
Okay, hear me out. Hear me out, please.
Time stops.
Okay, well done. Everything has been pretty good so far, other than it looks inedible.
Okay.
The curry might take a bit longer to cook because it's a lot of potatoes and everything.
Okay.
But you got to be ready to serve it within the 7 minutes.
No need another prata lah.
No need. Can.
We don't overachieve a bit.
5,
They already asked me to ask you to do the hear me out.
2, 1. Okay. Time.
Thank you.
And your time resumes.
Okay.
Huh? Sorry? Oh, there's still one more. Ooh. Still got one more. One more. There's one more onion.
Can.
Okay, one more prata. Yeah.
Can. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. So this is onion prata.
Yes, correct.
Okay, we flare it up a bit. This is my special curry prata.
Hey, we don't have a lot of time to flare it up. Speed it up. We need a plate.
Can. So onion, right?
Yes. I thought the first two were bad. This one's like even worse.
Okay, this is gonna be roti bomb.
It means inedible.
Okay.
Sorry, taste it and tell us how it is.
Taste lah, right?
Yeah, taste. No, put it in your hand, just put it in your mouth.
Can eat or can eat.
If Haresh says it's okay, means it's really horrible. Hurry up, 30 seconds, put it down. The prata, yeah. Okay, quick.
Okay. Almost there, last. Okay.
Show the audience.
I did it, man.
Oh my god, you managed to complete these pratas and the curry chicken within 45 minutes. Amazing.
Instagram worthy.
You feed the whole
Totally,
family.
man.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, the curry is a little bit burnt lah, but I think it's okay.
It's the chard. I was going for the chard.
Oh,
the chard taste, yeah.
okay.
You know, you got chao bee hoon, this is chao curry lah.
Okay, Terence, I'm gonna get you to try the dish
Okay.
and give your honest opinion.
Okay. I think it's edible.
Yeah, it's
smells
confirm edible lah.
Okay, I'm going to dip it in and just try it like that.
I can feel the
The crunch lah. Yeah, that's what you want in a
Yeah.
prata or the crunch.
Very shockingly, it's not bad.
Shockingly.
Are you just being nice?
No,
or is
it's-
it your
it's-
honest opinion?
It's just slightly thick, but actually it's the curry is
flavor.
actually pretty good. The
Ah.
curry, the
Booms.
is there.
Booms.
It tastes quite authentic, you know.
So for those who are watching, remember to give your votes to Haresh for his good performance. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you Ariston Kitchen for the beautiful kitchen studio and Canon for all the equipments to capture all these amazing friendship. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye bye.